This is an viral Olympiad math. Here we have to find the value of m. So everyone uploading for this math on YouTube around 6 minutes to 22 minutes for this solution. But I solve it within seconds. You can see here. If I put m equal 1, put m equal 1, 1 equal to, it will be 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, that's mean 1. It, if I put here m equal to, here also, then it will 4, I can get 5. Then if I put here 3, then it will 27 minus 20, here 8, that's mean 90. At last, when I put here m equal 4, this value 4, 2 to the power 4, then 3 to the power 4 means 8, 1, minus 2 to the power 4 means 16. So here 5, 65. So if m equal 4, 2 to the power 4, here is 3, that will be 65. So that is the answer. So the value of m is 4. Now here is another math. 3 to the power m into 2 to the power m equal 36. What will be m? Find the value of m.